Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In this video, we will have idea of History of Payment of Wages Act 1936. Let us start with the topic. Several unfair labor practices were prevalent on the part of employer. The employer used to commit unfair labor practices. These unfair labor practices included indefinite mode of payment of wages, and there was no definite time period for payment of wages. Automatically, it resulted into delay in payment to the workers. Delay made the workers to borrow money, and this increased their indebtedness. Similarly, there was practice of unlawful deductions by employers. The employers used to deduct from wages on the ground of fines, medical assistance, education, interest on advance wages, and thus employer used to exploit the workers economically. Seeing this, a private bill was introduced known as Weekly Payment Bill in the year 1925. However, the government assured to codify law for regular payment of wages. The government also assured to check unlawful deductions and malpractices. Several investigations and inquiries were conducted, and it was found that malpractices were prevalent regarding payment of wages. An exclusive report was placed before the Royal Commission in the year 1929. The bill was introduced again in 1933, but since the assembly was dissolved in 1934, the bill was passed in the year 1936, known as the Payment of Wages Act. Let us see what are the objectives behind the act. The main objective of the act is to fix a particular form of payment of wages. Prior to this act, the employer used to make payment in cash or even in kinds. By this act, now it is decided to make the payment in the form of cash only. Similarly, the act makes it imperative that payment of wages must be made at regular intervals. Unnecessary and unreasonable delay in making payment of wages has been prohibited by this act. Another major objective of the act is to prohibit unlawful and unauthorized deductions on the part of employer. Thank you for watching the video.